What about offering yourself as a backyard gardening expert? Now, this is just a thought that just like dropped in my spirit. I thought about sharing with you. Like, think about all of the many people who want to start a backyard garden, but perhaps don't have the time. You know, they have the in their homes, they have the space, they have the compound which they can, you know, get something out of it, but perhaps they don't have the time to start all of these things, or someone to maintain it for them. Okay. Looking at the way food prices are going up, you go to the market with an amount of money, a budgeted amount of money, you go there, prices have increased, and so you're coming home with very little. Okay, and this thing is not going to stop. This thing isn't stopping. You know, go stop today, you know, go stop tomorrow. And I believe the government the government can do nothing. Yeah, even if they could, they're not doing it. They won't do it because it doesn't benefit them. That is the truth. It hurts, but that is the truth, and it's going to get worse by the day. And so for you, I'm thinking, okay, perhaps you could start a side hustle. Yeah, just offering your service as a backyard gardening expert. It doesn't take long to start a business like this. Yeah, but for now, like I'm saying, it's just, you know, a business plan that's like just running through my head right now. I'm trying to, like, you know, work out the pros, the cons, and all of that. Perhaps you could also give me your suggestion. Okay, so in the next video, I'm really properly going to structure it well and put it out there, yeah, so that we all can learn. Myself, I'm learning as well. I'm still wrapping my head around it and thinking through how viable this business can be, and so let's put our heads together and see how possible or how visible a backyard business gardener will work in Ghana, especially. Okay, because there are people who really want to start farming, there are people who really want to start gardening, but they don't have the space, or they have the space, they don't have the time. Okay, perhaps you have the space somewhere, or you could work out some numbers, yeah, and get people sign on to you. You're going to provide them with this basic farming skills. Okay, it doesn't take long for you to learn, like very simple basic farming skills. If you're considering, you know, cost as well with regards to farming tools, I don't think starting up requires like so much. It requires so much farm inputs. Okay, they're like the very basic thing. All that it takes is your determination to want to do something, to change the mindset. Okay, to change your mindset, be willing to want to put in the work. Okay, and I believe it could take you far. It will take you far. I believe so. It will take you far. So again, I'll come your way with another video that would like give more detailed and more structured approach to how we can get this thing work. But then in the meantime, you could leave your comment. Let me know what you think about starting a business like this. How viable is this going to be if you decided to start a home gardening business, or became, you know, a home gardening expert, helping people start up, you know, a home garden in their small homes, you know, in their backyards and all of that. It is possible. It is possible. So far as, you know, I can just see the prospects myself. Okay, if you do it and do it well, I believe it can go well with you. Hope to chat with you soon. Do drop your comment, discussion, whatever you think about what the ideas I'm suggesting now, and let's get to work. Yeah, it is possible. It is possible to make it. We're not going to depend on any government. We're not going to be dependent on any political party, because really they don't care about us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to come your way again with a much more detailed business plan for this proposal I'm thinking about. Yeah, so you have a good day, and don't be idle. Get busy, get your hands busy, learn a skill, and do something with your life. The government isn't going to save you.